What up, guys? I actually woke up early. My hair looks really bad, but don't judge me. Okay, guys, so I'm about to drop off my first order. Here is the fit. It's really cold out, so I'm wearing this really big that makes me look like a box sweatshirt thingy that I got at Target. And yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna leave right now. She lives like 10 minutes away, so I'm just gonna go. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, so a lot just happened. So first I went and dropped off some clothes. Then I dropped off my dad at the bank. I'm pretty sure I showed you. I don't remember what I showed, but yeah, so there was an active shooter right next to me, and I saw it because on this trail there was a car, and the car was going really fast, and there was people in the back, and policemen were chasing after it, and I was so scared. And then I got Starbucks, and there was a car chase, and it was just really confusing. And then I went to give people their stuff, and now I'm home, and I got in a car crash. It was an eventful day, guys. I'm sorry I haven't vlogged it, but that's what I went through, and I'm so sorry. But like, that was really scary for me. Hope everyone's okay. Okay, guys, so we got a new car. You guys, if you've watched, I'm gonna go drive it, and we're gonna do like a little drive with me. Guys, here it is. Here's a little overview. I'm gonna take it for a spin. Yo, yo, yo. Okay, I've never driven this before, so I'm scared. I'm so scared right now. Okay, what the frick? What is that? Okay. I'm used to driving big cars. I'm a Jeep kind of girl.
That girl, you get him. All right, strictly the radio program on News Radio 1110 KFAB coming up at 3:30.
Okay, I don't know where I'm going.
The mayor's going to have a press conference.
I don't know where I'm going.
Okay.
Okay. Reverse.
And we have not been tempted.
So I didn't know what to do. Like, I didn't know where to drive this because there's literally nowhere to drive in my city besides like Walmart or like somewhere to eat or something. But I didn't want to go that far, so I just drove here, and I'm going to see my friend because I miss her. But yeah, in this car, honestly, I do not like it because this is just so weird. Like, I hate it. Honestly, it goes so fast too. Like, I was really surprised. Yeah, so I'm gonna go see my friend. I'm like almost at her house right now. Pulling up. Swag money. Let's see, where is she? Hi. What are you wearing? Didn't you wear that the other day, like a week ago? Hi, Josie. Did you dye your hair blue and purple?
It's like chalk.
Here's my friend Chloe. Here's the ugly car. Should I stay or should I go? Guys, ow, frick! Comment down below if you want me to do a challenge in my car where I stay in here for 12 hours. Comment down below right now. I'm waiting. Okay, I know you guys didn't comment, but I'll do it anyway. Not today. Not tomorrow. Yeah, but I think that would be a fun little thing. And it's kind of cool in here, and it's comfy. I just miss people. I just miss people so much. I just want my friends. I just want my friends back. And my boyfriend. No, I'm seeing him tomorrow. I'm just gonna take a nap. My dad's gonna wonder where I am, but like, I sleep in Jeeps now. Bye, Kobe. Mask off. Mask off. Ooh. I'm back. I guess I should finish my homework. I haven't done that yet. Hi. 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 Jump. Okay, guys, I'm gonna throw a little prank on my parents. Play this song really loud on our speakers, on like our Google speakers, and see how they react.
Alyssa, please turn it off.
I did. I'm on this Zoom call right now. Oh my god, literally. And this girl left because this girl is screen recording. You guys, I got out of there real quick. I don't know if any people from that Zoom call subscribed to me. But yeah, so I need to finish my homework because I haven't done it. Shh, be quiet. I'm going to bed. Night, peace, subscribe, like, comment.